Okay, so today we're looking at the lesson for 1-2 on adding integers. So first we're going to look at what an additive inverse is. So additive inverse, this definition is going to follow you all the way through to 9th grade algebra with me. An additive inverse is simply just the opposite of a number. Is the opposite. And when we say opposite like that, we mean changing the sign. So, for example, if you have something like 4, the opposite of 4, of positive 4, would be negative 4. If I start with a negative number like negative 7, the opposite of negative 7 would be positive 7. You're just taking the opposite of it, changing that sign. So if you have positive 4, it becomes negative 4, negative 7, positive 7. This little fact here is super, super cool because a number and its additive inverse, keyword, will always sum. When we say sum, we mean add. Sum means addition to 0. And that's kind of cool. We can look at that with our examples. We had 4 plus negative 4. Which is really the same thing as 4 minus 4, which you guys all know is 0. So, boom. Same thing if we looked at that 7 piece. We take negative 7, no, go away. Negative 7 plus 7. Well, if you owe someone $7 and then you give them that $7, you owe them $0. Pen's being a little annoying today. And what's also interesting about a number and its additive inverse is that their absolute values are ... Let's take a look at it. If we look at the absolute value of 4, we know that that is 4. The absolute value of negative 4 is also 4. So a number and its additive inverse are always going to have equal or same absolute values. So their absolute values are equal. Okay. So I'm going to break these videos up into smaller chunks. So we're going to look at just those definitions in this one, and then the next one we'll cover the examples.